Hi guys, this is Uber. The topic given to me for this sem is bioremediation. I did a little research on it and found that I was surprised to find the great big deal that these little organisms play in our lives. It is not just about decomposing stuff or treating diseases. It is about the mere existence of mankind and the existence of life on Earth. Anyway, let's get on with our topic, which is bioremediation. Bioremediation is a waste management technique that involves the use of organisms to remove or neutralize pollutants from a contaminated site. A treatment that uses naturally occurring organisms to break down hazardous substances into less toxic or non-toxic substances. Technologies can be generally classified as in situ and ex situ. In situ bioremediation involves treating the contaminated material at the site, while ex situ involves the removal of the contaminated material to be treated elsewhere. Bioremediation may occur on its own, which is called as natural attenuation or intrinsic bioremediation, or may only effectively occur through the addition of fertilizers, oxygen, etc. that help encourage the growth of pollution-eating microbes within the medium. This process is called as biostimulation. Microorganisms used to perform the function of bioremediation are known as bioremediators. It doesn't always have to be complex chemicals. A recent experiment suggests that fish bones have some success absorbing lead from contaminated soil. Can you believe that? Something as simple as fish bones can be used to treat soil and free it from lead. Now let us learn something about a process called mycoremediation. See, mycoremediation is a form of bioremediation in which fungi are used to decontaminate the area. The term mycoremediation refers specifically to the use of fungal mycelia in bioremediation. So, one of the primary roles of fungi in the ecosystem is decomposition, which is performed by the mycelium, which secretes extracellular enzymes and acids that break down lignin and cellulose, which are the two main building blocks of the plant fiber. These are organic compounds composed of long chains of carbon and hydrogen, structurally similar to the many organic pollutants. The key to mycoremediation is determining the right fungal species to target a specific pollutant. So let us look at some case studies, some examples of where this bioremediation is used. In one conducted experiment, a plot of soil contaminated with diesel was inoculated with mycelia of oyster mushrooms. Okay, it is a kind of mycelia fungi. So the traditional bioremediation techniques were used on this to control plots. After 4 weeks, more than 95% of the PAH, which is a polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, has been reduced to non-toxic components in the mycelial inoculated plots. So it appears that the natural microbial community participates with the fungi to break down contaminants, eventually into carbon dioxide and water. So there is also another type of, there are many examples, various applications of bioremediation. Another example is the wood degrading fungi, which are particularly effective in breaking down aromatic pollutants, toxic compounds of petroleum, because petroleum is made up of aromatic compounds, so as well as chlorinated compounds. Okay, so what are the advantages? Why do you think we should use bioremediation instead of using chemical or other artificial methods? So first thing is that it is user friendly, and it is user friendly, and it takes time, but it is eco-friendly as well as cost effective. So let us look at the applications and advantages. There are a number of cost effective advantages to bioremediation, which can be employed in areas that are inaccessible without excavation. For example, hydrocarbon spills, specifically petrol spills or certain chlorinated solvents, may contaminate groundwater. Introducing the appropriate electron acceptor or electron donor amendment as appropriate may significantly reduce contaminant concentrations after a long time, allowing for assimilation. This is typically much less expensive than excavation, followed by disposal elsewhere, incineration, or other ex situ treatment strategies, and reduces or eliminates the need for pump and treat, a practice common at sites where hydrocarbons have contaminated clean groundwater. Using archaea for bioremediation of hydrocarbons also has the advantage of breaking down contaminants at the molecular level as opposed to simply chemically dispersing the contaminant. So there guys, we have seen a brief presentation on what bioremediation is. Bioremediation is a vast field and has a wide range of applications. Hope you found this presentation useful. Thank you.